South Africa's National Prosecuting Authority, NPA, has announced it will not charge President Cyril Ramaphosa in relation to money stolen from his Phala Phala farm in the country's northern province of Limpopo. The incident happened in February 2020. Mukali Ivy Tenga, the Director of Public Prosecutions DPP in Limpopo province, said on Thursday, October 10th, that no one in the cash theft matter will face court action. In June 2022, Arthur Fraser, who is South Africa's former Director General for State Security Agency, opened a case against President Ramaphosa, alleging the head of state was involved in corruption and money laundering. According to Fraser, more than $4 million were found in Ramaphosa's farmhouse on February 9, 2020. In early November 2023, South Africa's National Prosecuting Authority, NPA, said $580,000 was stolen from the president's farm. The money had allegedly been hidden under sofa cushions. At first, NPA produced two suspects in relation to the theft after their arrest in November last year. The two were identified as 39-year-old Emanuela David and 30-year-old Froliana Joseph. Froliana was a worker at Ramaphosa's farm and was familiar with the place. NPA said she invited Emanuela to the president's farm and that the theft was planned for about a month starting January 2020. In early February 2020, the two suspects and the third person identified as David Joseph, who was later arrested, reportedly stole $580,000 from Ramaphosa's farm. The prosecution further said Emanuela and Froliana were originally from Namibia and legally acquired South African citizenship. The prosecution stated on Thursday that it will not charge anyone, including President Ramaphosa, with the cash theft matter. NPA said the decision was made by the DPP after a careful assessment of all available evidence presented to the prosecutors by the Directorate for Priority Crime Investigation, DPCI. The NPA added that the DPP concluded there was no reasonable prospects of a successful prosecution based on evidence contained in the docket. Throughout the case, President Ramaphosa denied any wrongdoing. In June 2023, South Africa's Anti-Corruption Authority cleared him of potential conflict of interest related to the stolen cash. According to Ramaphosa's account of the events, there had been a break-in at his Phala Phala farm and that a much smaller amount of cash had been stolen. The president denied former spy chief Fraser's alleged figure of $4 million. According to Ramaphosa, the money was proceeds from the sale of game. Ankole cattle, buffalo, impala, and rare game are among animals sold at the farm. The Phala Phala cash theft came to light in June 2022 after Fraser's report. Ramaphosa denied covering up the crime, saying he was away when it happened. He added that he alerted authorities upon receiving the details. The matter tainted the 71-year-old president's image in the run-up to the May 2024 elections, in which the ruling African National Congress ANC party lost its parliamentary majority for the first time since 1994. Opposition party, the Economic Freedom Fighters EFF, was looking to use the courts to revive an impeachment motion against President Ramaphosa. Such an attempt failed previously after ANC, which had parliamentary majority, shot down a bid to impeach Ramaphosa in December 2022.